Hello everyone, welcome to ICO channel. Today I'm trying to reviews the new project is the Datablockchain.io. The data blockchain.io merging big data, artificial intelligence and blockchain technologies to bring secure information into the world. And now this project in around 3 years is pre-sales and in 21st June. And price is $0.08 is 8%, sorry, $8 and in the main token sale price is 12 cents per tokens. Okay, it's in rating as ICO bank is 4.9 plus and ICOs and ICO is plus. Okay. Welcome to Data Blockchain. Data Blockchain.io is a revolutionary data platform that stands to disrupt the way that companies and individuals gather premium data. For us, we're the most greatest data, making it more readily available and less expensive than the current methods of data collecting and voting. The research is excellent and can access specific data set in the cost-effective and transparent ways, collecting exactly what they need without paying for extraneous data. With the market arresting research 581 billion in 1817. As it indicates to digital advertising, the need for accurate data is only growing. That is response of the market booms. The data blockchain.io has a capability to be the careless killers. We will measure our own proprietary data, which many of the world's largest database ranging from government data, industry specific data, processing the cost, business to business data, property data, carries bureaus data, etc. Degrees of comparison variety data sets available to individuals and business looking to both attract and retain talent. The level of access to quality data blockchain.io offer has been cost prohibitive for cost companies outside of the Fortune 500, but as a platform of participants will be able to access new data. They are in because the blockchain.io removes the middleman in the industries and that tend to drive rise up to cost and cost inefficiencies. No other side will to be small to fulfill. This opens up an established market as potential selling on global stage. Here's the watch. Datablockchain.io's interviews. Problems. The career to both a current new customer and remaining your current customer is processing the critical data that can help to your market to purpose with highest propensity to use your product and supply and help identify your current customer needs, ensuring their long-term loyalty. The data industry today is both complicated and highly fragmented, offering a confusing number of choice to business desperately in need to this scalable information. The existing data marketing ecosystem of data. This owner, manager, and broker is efficient and often intuitive cost business needs scarcely time and money. Solution. Datablockchain builds program robust interface between the use and the data source. Datablockchain builds create a single point solution that will eliminate the need for multiple data windows and layers as list and manages broker task creature inefficiency in the marketplace. The backend system grows into full confidence in data quality for the end user as well as transaction fairness for the data provider. Each document is on paper or white paper here to download, and more information is particular data assets. Investment and employment of the blockchain technology optimize the business case with blockchain technology and smart contracts as in the world. By customer file is 500 plus demographics as speed, geography, and lifestyle attributes. Automated for instance 175 yes methodology and more. Both files ICO arrays and mobile phones files and social profiles. Okay, how it works? As runs counts and put data and dollar files. This block check out some of the T block keep up to date in this the latest DBC news is reach more here, click here is click here. Okay, DBCcoin. Each coin can be used to the market purchase and are used by data provider in the following way. It's called exchange. The sealant is DBCcoin to easy purchase Ethereum using Coinbase or other exchange. The DBC wallet can also to be used to exchange Ethereum for DBCcoin tokens. You can share a silent creator account with your ICO and monitor its profiles as purchase and security and data source. DBCcoin token is relevant on the Ethereum blockchain. Datablockchain.io entities smart contracts which in solidity for transaction and payments and free sales. Yet a hit of the game with the second resale price is 0.08 and its main sales price is 12 cents per token. The token pre-sale cap is 164 million. Get touch. If you have a question, send us a message on our support team member will be happy to help you with question you might have. We look forward to hearing from you from the blockchain, LTDs, and emails. That is it for our data source supply data and your data asset. Following industry leader in exchange unions, ENBs, conference, and news stars. ICE radios is a team. CEO is Scott Hicks and CTO is Cecilia Bros and CIO Sunny Raipal and CDO Dennis Jones. Okay, more information in the here size. It's a visual. That's because a visual and span chicken, a visual and toilet fraud, a visual. Okay. Chicken distribution in total created is 870 million. Total chicken being sold is 522 million, and free sale is 100 million. The time free sale is from 27th of May to 21st of June 2018. And free token saving sold is more 164 million and main share from 27th of June to 21st of July 2018, and token being sold is more 257 million, and Jim Avisha is more 300 and Body Camper is 10 million, and Eros Marketing in 10 million. Exchange receiver is more 100 million. Mean purchase for pre-sale is 1 Ethereum and mean purchase of public sale is 0.1 Ethereum. Also token will be bonus. And remember 12 months waiting total with 25% is quarterly. In case is $10 million and has cap is $5 million. Okay, and as you can join its project ICOs, it's a great project. Okay, thank you everybody and good luck.